Namaskar. I have been using my LG dishwasher for 4 years and have never once regretted my purchase decision. Myth: dishwashers can't remove stubborn stains. The great Indian hospitality not only comes with various delicious Indian cuisines, but also with the heaps of dirty utensils stacked in your kitchen sink, including those with stubborn grease stains that are a nightmare to clean. Let's enter the world of LG Dishwasher, your solution to these dirty dishes challenges. It promises to eliminate the hassle of dealing with tough stains, assuring you a pain-free cleaning experience. Dishwashers can't tackle stubborn stains. The LG dishwasher features an incredible TrueSteam function that ensures hygienic cleaning by blasting high-temperature steam onto utensils, effectively killing bacteria and germs. Its capability to wash with boiling water ensures that every nook and cranny of your dishes is reached, offering a hygienic clean while removing the most stubborn stains and smallest food particles. Additionally, the QuadWash technology, with its multi-motion spray arms and high-pressure jets, ensure that dishes are cleaned thoroughly from every possible angle. And there it is. Can you notice the hot steam emerging from the dishwasher? A promising sign. Let's inspect the utensils individually. Amazing! Each utensil emerges clean, sanitized, dry, and gleaming as if brand new. Even the most stubborn stains from kadhais and oily pans have disappeared. Isn't that remarkable?